Good afternoon mga bro! Welcome again to my YouTube channel. And we are now back here in Qatar. It's 41 degrees and it's July 21st. So, for today, we are going to Polo Owa. So, kakaiba naman tong, hindi naman kakaiba, pero kasi I have my SSS ID, pero hindi ko siya nababayaran. So what we'll do is, kasi nakuha ko yung SSS ID number ko when I was single. So hindi ko na siya nabayaran and nag-abroad na ako. So what we'll do, we'll go to Polo Owa and buhayin natin ang ating SSS. Mga bro, we are here. I'll show you kung ano itsura ng Polo Owa. Here it is. Good afternoon po. Ito yung Polo Owa for SSS. Dito rin. Okay, thank you. And Polo Owa is like a big villa. Dito daw sa... So when you enter the gate, turn left. Yan, you need to get your number from the receptionist. Hi, good afternoon. Sorry, dito rin ba yung number for SSS update?
SSS kayo? Akit po sa...
Okay, I got my number. Alright mga bro, we're done. I already updated my SSS application. Ito na aking Uber. Okay mga bro, I'm already home. Bawal mag-video dun sa loob. So, well anyway, once you get your number, you have to go to the second floor. So, if you'll take the elevator, press GF. Okay, tapos, your number will be called and ilalagay ko rito yung QR code that you have to scan para ma-complete nyo na yung application form before kayo magpunta sa Polo Owa. And here it is. I-pause nyo na lang para ma-scan nyo siya. Once done, pwede ka nang pumunta doon sa mga office staff nila and just make sure if you have your passport copy, kailangan may sign yung original passport nyo ha. Tapos that's when you will copy that passport. Tapos just bring all the documents that you need. In my case kasi, I just need to update the marital status of my SSS. So I also need to add my beneficiaries. Yun, syempre, yung kids ko. So, the things that I brought were my hard copy of your passport. Ayan, with signature yun dapat QID, marriage contract or marriage certificate. Tapos, birth certificates ng children ko. And that's about it. So after submitting all the requirements, they will fill out a form for you. Tapos they will just ask for your residential address in the Philippines and here, your phone number here in the Philippines. So, yung phone number sa Philippines, please make sure, kasi ako, nang galing ako ng vacation sa Pilipinas, kumuha na ako ng eSIM. Para pag uuwi ako or magva-vacation tayo, syempre sa Philippines, we don't have to buy a new SIM, 'di ba? Ang admin staff na nag-entertain sa akin kanina is si Miss Josh. She's very, very accommodating and she'll answer all your questions kung may mga tanong man kayo. And then for me, since ang tagal ko nang hindi nakapagbayad ng SSS, they gave me this. Yan. So, kailangan lang tayo magbayad online through Ooredoo and PayRemit app. O di kaya, we can go to, where is it? Ano yun eh? Ayun, Alfardan Exchange at saka Alzaman Exchange. Ito siya. Alfardan and Alzaman Exchange. Kita nyo ba? Right there. So, once na nakakuha na kayo ng PNR na manggagaling doon sa Alfardan Exchange or Alzaman Exchange, you can use my SSS app. So, pwede ka na ron gumawa ng transactions mo. Alright? So, if you have some questions, hindi po ako from Polo Owa ha. Nag-apply lang ako ng SSS. So, if you have some questions, yeah, just comment down below. I'll put all the yung location, address nila, plus some of the requirements that I brought with me on the description box. Okay, so I hope you like this video. So please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, please, to Jenny the Bottle. So see you on my next video. Bye!